Another aspect of our business that gives us a lot of strength and power and makes us unique is that our pickup delivery service is free of charge. When the pickup has been scheduled, you'll have a link to our portal. At that point, you can enter some comments. For example, the carpet will be on the front porch or with our concierge, or in some cases, they'll even tell us go into the backyard, it'll be on the back porch, or give us access into the building. We'd ask that you could have all the rugs rolled and ready for our driver to easily load up. When your order is ready, you will receive a text. Off of that text, you can schedule your delivery. When the carpet is delivered, it'll be rolled tightly, wrapped in plastic to ensure that it stays clean throughout the delivery. The rug is completely dry when wrapped, and you'll have no worries.
It's time to love your rug.